This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Aaron Thomas. Very well maintained home with an open floor plan, located in a desirable neighborhood. 4 spacious bedrooms with bigger closets, 2 full baths and spacious living area. Remodeled kitchen countertops with new subway tiles. Kitchen has a perfect view of the living area with great views of the nicely manicured backyard. Both bathrooms have been updated with quartz counters. New hardware throughout. Indoor laundry room by the larger 2-car garage/insulated. No neighbors along the backside of the property, fenced yard. Makes for a very private backyard. It is equipped with a sprinkler system and features mature oak trees and crepe myrtles. It does have a roomy covered porch and the yard includes a tool shed. Minutes away from park.